Lesson 7, let us solve our own problems. Page number 32. Now, first, can you tell us, and they have given you some pictures. What problems can you identify from the following pictures? Identify means pehchano. Look at the pictures or pehchano. Problem kya hai? First, my area gets water only thrice a week. हफ्ते में 3 बार ही पानी आएगा तो चलेगा? How will you have bath? How will you do cooking, cleaning, washing of the clothes also? Next problem. The garbage has piled up. Garbage means kachra. All the dirt has piled up. Piled up means one big heap. I have to walk to school with my nose covered. So this poor boy, he has to go like this to school. All dirty smell. Third picture. I like riding my bicycle to school every day, but there is no bicycle track. If traffic is going anyhow, anywhere, how school children can go safely? In some places like Chandigarh and all, they have separate bicycle track on the side. So from the side, the cyclist can go easily. Fourth picture. My father has to visit the taluka place every day for some dispute over the land. Dispute means fight. Some court case is going on and he has to go every time because of that land ka problem. So there is court case going on, and taluka means district. He has to go from the village to the district, or he has to go so far away. Okay, so you saw all these different problems. What is the name of the lesson? Let us solve our own problems. As much as possible, we have to solve our own problem. If there is garbage, we should also contribute in cleaning it. Who throws that garbage? We only. All of us together. Government doesn't come to throw the garbage. We say BMC साफ ही नहीं करता है. BMC ने नहीं गंदा किया. You, all these people, see how you eat one chocolate, throw it. Eat one kurkure packet, throw it. Correct? So you must put it in the dustbin. We have to solve our own problems. Now let us see the lesson. Issues in civic life. Issues means there are different matters which we are going to see. Civic life means life of a citizen. नागरिक के जीवन में अलग अलग टाइप के प्रॉब्लम आते हैं. We encounter means we face, okay, सामना करना पड़ता है. Many problems in our civic life. These problems cause us inconvenience. Inconvenience यानी असुविधा. That means it is not easy for us because of this. So let us see, we already have two difficult words. One is encounter. Means to face, and the second word was inconvenience. That means difficulties. That means asुविधा. Okay, so we have to face many inconveniences. Sometimes our life is thrown into disorder. That means total arrangement that we have made, everything goes here haywire, udhvast ho jata hai. If we turn a blind eye towards problems, they become worse. Now, to turn a blind eye. This is also used in English as a phrase which means to ignore. हम देखते हैं लेकिन उसको नज़रअंदाज कर देते हैं जैसे कि देखा ही नहीं. So, to turn a blind eye towards problems, they become worse. First they are bad, then they become worse, and then they'll become worst. So, it is best to solve them in time. वक्त पे ही problem solve करे तो best. You have learned a stitch in time saves 9. Instead of having so much problem afterwards, if you do it in time, it is good. The problems faced by people in cities and villages can be called problems or issues in civic life. So in both cities and villages, people have problems. So these type of problems are called problems in civic life. It is important to be able to identify such problems. Identify means पहचानना, to recognize. So first step, problem को पहचानो, then only you can solve it, no? So we have to first try to identify. One person alone cannot solve such a problem. एक आदमी का बस में नहीं है. Everyone has to मिलजुल के then we can manage to solve. They can be solved through everyone's effort and cooperation. Cooperation means everyone has to help together, then we can solve the problems. Solving disputes. Now, first let us see what is disputes. Disputes means quarrels. Quarrels means jhagda. Okay, so how to solve this jhagda now? Disputes arising over various issues in towns and villages can also be a problem. The well-being of a village is affected by constant disputes. Constant means continuous, लगातार. Constant so continuous disputes, continuous झगड़ा झगड़ी चालू है तो naturally no progress will be made. So it will obstruct the unity also and it will create loss for the village. If the disputes are not serious, they can be solved locally by speaking to the parties involved. Parties means what? Not birthday party. Party means जो दो व्यक्ति जिसके बीच में झगड़ा है उनको आमने सामने लाओ. Why you are taking it to court? Simply court case, then high court, supreme court and all. Whose money will go? Your money will go. Whose time will go? Your time will go. Who will get all your money? The lawyer will get, because he will be fighting your case for you. Then, if this dispute is not solved in this way, then it is taken to the appropriate body or courts. Appropriate. Suitable. So then they take it to the suitable court. Now what do you mean by suitable court? If it is some small case in the village, they take it to the Gram Panchayat. उसने मेरी मुर्गी चुराई. So they'll say हाँ उसको 200 रुपया दो और मुर्गी वापस दो. Then he'll say मैंने तो खा ली. So then they'll say okay, give 200 rupees. मामला मिट गया. No need to go to the court. But if he'll say no, I will not give, then it will become a big fight. Then they will go to the court and they will waste their time and they will waste their money. So if it is some type of cases, you have to take it to High Court. If some types of cases, it goes to Supreme Court. Now, do you know, since 2007, Mahatma Gandhi Dispute Free Village Mission is being implemented in our state. Write the meaning of implemented. Carried out. Carried out means amal mein lana. So Gandhi ji decided there should be no jhagda jhagdi in any village. Okay, no dispute. The aim of this scheme, aim means the goal. उसका लक्ष्य क्या है, ध्येय क्या है, तात्पर्य क्या है, is that villages should be able to solve their own dispute through peaceful discussion. Discuss करो, चर्चा करो, उधर ही सुलझ जाएगा. Why to take it to court? This method of solving disputes increases harmony in the village. Harmony means living together in peace. Okay, शांति से मिलजुल के रहना. That means cooperate with each other, live in harmony. Villages which have solved their disputes by using this method also get a peace award. In cities, mohalla committees help to solve the dispute. Mohalla means that area where you live. वहीं पे मामला सुलझाओ. Don't take it to court. Now problem solving. Have you heard about these attempts at problem solving? Attempts means efforts, प्रयत्न. तो क्या आपने सुना है ये सब अलग अलग गाँव में क्या क्या उन्होंने प्रयत्न किए हैं अपना प्रॉब्लम खुद सुलझाने के लिए. Okay, so first example we are going to take of Hivre Bazar. In the village of Hivre Bazar in Ahmednagar district, water shortage was a problem. Okay, so now let us see one village and what is their problem. So first we will take Hivre Bazar. What is their problem? First problem is water. Water shortage was a big problem. This problem was solved with the help of participation of the villagers. Okay, so now water shortage and how is the solution? Solution means उसका इलाज क्या है? So they've created something in such a way that all people will be helped. The problem of animal feed was also solved. So second problem, they had water shortage and animal feed or what we call chara. There was not enough chara for the prani. Okay. Now Hivre Bazar has lush green surrounding. Everywhere around it is green. Ghas hi ghas, hariyali. So now the cows can get plenty to eat. Many villages face water problem like Hivre Bazar. Find the reasons for this and suggest solution. So what was the way they solved it? Participation of the villagers. That means the villagers only solved the problem. Did they go to the court case? Did they go to High Court, Supreme Court? No, they solved the problem themselves. Now, cleaning a village through Shramadan. Write the meaning of Shramadan. Shramadan is actually Hindi word. So this is charity of labor. Shram means labor. Dan means charity. See, money anybody can give, but you have to work hard. Suppose you feel everywhere kachra is there, you have to close your nose and go to the school. So you also come, everyone come with jhadu, everyone will clean the place. That is known as Shramadan. Okay, so cleaning a village through Shramadan. Now we are going to see this other village. The people of Khudawadi village in Osmanabad district cleaned their village through Shramadan. So now let us see which is the second village. Hivre Bazar was the first one. Correct? Now the next one. Next was Khudawadi. Now, what was their problem? Their problem was that there was garbage. Okay, lot of garbage was there. Garbage means kachra. Okay, so now what was their solution? So first, they did voluntary contribution of labor. They decided everyone should help in cleaning the village. So in a way it is participation of villagers also, but here we will use different word. We will say Shramadan or voluntary contribution of labor. Okay. So that means everyone helped. The garbage was used to make manure using vermiculture. Manure, that means which you can use for your plants to make it like a fertilizer. Okay, but it is natural. So what was the second thing that they did? Vermiculture. In Marathi, have you heard of Gandul Khat? Gandul means earthworm. You introduce the earthworm in the garbage. In the garbage, you cut it fine, you make one hole, you put all the garbage inside, and then you put the worms. These worms will digest that garbage, and that will become rich manure which you can use for your plants. So that way they used manure, and a toilet was built in each house. Okay, so each house, so nobody will go here and there for early morning to do their morning jobs. So they built toilets. In each house. So you saw how these two villages solved their own problem. They didn't go anywhere else for their problem. Sant Gadge Baba used kirtans and to stress the importance of keeping the village clean. He told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness, education and self-reliance. Now, Gadge Baba was known as Gadge Maharaj, and he always used to have one jhadu in hand. Wherever he went, whichever village he went, he used to clean. So he told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness, education and self-reliance. कि हम तरक्की नहीं कर सकते, he said. 3 चीजें चाहिए for that. First, cleanliness, साफ सफाई. Then we can make progress. Second, education, shikshan. And the third, self-reliance. That means atmanirbharta. We should be dependent on anyone? No. We should be dependent only on ourselves. So, what is the formula for progress? First, cleanliness. Second, education. And third, self-reliance. Okay, so these are the 3 things you need to make progress according to Sant Gadge Baba.